So I'll just show you. I'll go ahead and show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 screws. And if you notice here, that wire fits right through that hole without pinching it. And actually, I might have to remove these 2 screws as well. Let me double check. Yes, those screws have to come out, so it's 8 screws. So 8 screws you remove. This piece comes up. And like I said, I have my wires running through here. But you can see the screws, 1, 2, and they're 3 by 8. And that's a light bar. So there are no holes in the body or anything else.